I'm Paul Thompson with the Cycles of Development Educational Process, and we're here to talk about the true self today, your abundance and your true self. And when we talk about the abundance and your true self, we talk about 5 different aspects that make up the true self: the purposeful self, the emotional self, the passionate self, the spiritual self, and the intellectual self. Today we want to talk a little bit about the passionate self. You know, a lot of people seek things in their life they want to be about and want to accomplish. A lot of times today, people are just very distracted. Passion works kind of the same way. If you spend time operating and building something internally that you really want bad enough, that you really want to accomplish, it'll turn into passion. You got want. Want becomes a strong want want becomes a desire. Strong desire becomes passion. People who are passionate obtain their goals. People who are very passionate go after what they want and make great things happen. And so passion is something that all of us have, but it's very important to understand how to make your passion come alive. You see, some of us have our passion spread around our anger, our distrust, our mistrust, our misguidance, our envy, jealousy, strife, bitterness, and all of our passion is just kind of spread throughout all those negative energies that we bought into and contracted with. You got to understand, when you decide to tap into your genius, when you decide to tap into your greatness, and you want to do something that's unbelievable, you want to do something that's spectacular, and every fiber in your being is telling you it's time for you to make something great happen, you got to call on your passion. And you got to use your mental tools to create the passion that's necessary for you to knock that ball out of the park, for you to hit that home run, for you to score that last inning, for you to reach that beyond the stars. Whatever that is, whatever the translation is for you, it'll come through your passion. And so your passion ignites best when you align it with purpose. And so you must have purpose in your life. You must have definiteness of purpose. You must have singleness of purpose. And when you have a singleness of purpose or a definiteness of purpose and begin to target that, begin to focus in on that, your passion will rise from your personal initiative. It'll rise from your self-determination. It'll rise from your self-reliance. All those forces will come together and begin to align itself with passion. And you will be able to magnify what it is that you've come here to do. You'll be able to magnify the resources of the 5 purposeful selves, aspects of those 5 selves into the true self. And when you bring all those aspects together, all those qualities together, you have a unity, you have a united group collectively working together as one to impact change, to impact anything that you need to accomplish. And so the passion itself is nothing short of magic. If you want to understand magic, you know, I can think back years ago of being into marketing, and we had something called 90 days. You know, every 90 days you want to reach a goal. And I mean, you go after whatever it is for 90 days, and I mean, you'd have to go at it with passion. And just the force of passion created a certain concentrated of effort. Certain passion created a momentum. And that momentum naturally created an accumulation, which gave us spillage or breakthrough. And so you see, your passion is one of the keys to your greatness. And so what are you waiting on? It's time for you to access that passion and do what you've come here to do. And we'll see you in the next phase.